Gintama. This is Gintoki from Gintama. He is my favorite, well maybe he's not my favorite anime character, but Gintama is my favorite anime. And I've wanted a figurine of Gintoki for a very, very long time. But all of them, he looks very serious. And he is a very funny character. Gintama is of course a comedy. It does get serious sometimes, but he's always looking really serious. So I wanted something that looked a little bit lighthearted, and I finally found it. This is the figurine of Gintama from the arc where he has like a doppelganger, Kintoki. I don't know his name, but he wears like reversed clothes of Gintoki. And this is also how he looks on the cover of Volume 1. This is him. He looks like this. He's posed exactly the same in Volume 1 of Gintama in this figurine. So I think it's really cool. And I don't know, I'm gonna unbox it. So let's get to that now. This was 1,800 yen, which is about 25 New Zealand dollars. So very, very cheap. Lots of figurines of Gintoki can go upwards to 5,000 yen. So, the best ones I've seen are about 7,000 yen. So he's not like a super expensive figurine. He's not like ridiculous. Ooh. Ooh. Some instructions on how to assemble him to the stand. Okay, thank you. Wow, there he is. My boy. Ooh. Here he goes. So he looks pretty average. Like he's not like super detailed quality, but like I like the hair. The hair's a very nice color from like lighter up top to darker at the bottom, which is very legit. And oh, his shoes. His shoes are so shiny too. That's really good. He's got like really rubbery looking boots. So that's really good. It really contrasts his shirt and his pants as well. And so apparently he poses in a very weird way on top of this. So I'm gonna try and assemble it now. So that doesn't actually like click into place, but it fits nicely. So as long as I'm not shaking it around too much, it stays there. We've got a little stand. His sword is over there too. He's got his wooden katana, which is really cool. I don't know how to get it off. Stop filming. I'm just gonna get everything out first. There's more! There's more here! God damn it, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think even the sword says Lake Koya, which is what it says in anime as well. I think there's a whole funny episode about what's the origin of your sword, Gintoki? And he's like, oh, says all this mystical stuff. And he buys it when he's on holiday or something really funny in the end. And he has dozens of them. They're like, there's heaps more wooden swords in his cupboard. Oh. Ooh, does that go under? It does. Okay, and that goes there. That goes there. That goes like that. I'm so confused. So that's how it positions at the back. This step hopefully stays relatively incognito and people don't realize that it's there. Does he hold the sword? I guess he does. Maybe he doesn't. Maybe his sword is away. Oh, there it is. Okay, the sword goes in there. It's like sheathed. Sheathed away. I guess it would be away from him. So, whoa. Oh my God. You gotta stuff it in there. He's finished. Okay. He's alright. For like $25, I think this is probably the best Gintoki I could have gotten for $25. Some of them are a little bit over the top. The paint job's not very good. He's wearing like the Ginpachi Sensei outfit or whatever. So this is good. From Volume 1, that's the cover. That's really cool. I can have those side by side like that. That's perfect. I'm really happy with that. So now I finally have a figurine of Gintoki from my favorite anime. I don't know if he's my favorite character. I don't know who my favorite character is. Thank you very much for watching, guys, this unboxing video. I have other unboxing videos which you are very welcome to watch. Persona 3 and Persona 4. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for future videos. Take it easy, gang.